You don't have to smoke, you don't have to drink. Why? Because in order to feel good, you smoke. But the moment you change your physiology is the fastest way to change your state. And I'm telling you, the one skill people don't know. If you change one skill, changing your physiology in a radical way, you can change your whole life. Because physiology is the way to experience. If you have only one skill, that's the body. You have only one power, that's the body. Mind is extension of the body. Mind is only 10%, 90% of the body. The moment you change the body, mind changes. So very simple thing, if you want to change your belief, change your body. What will happen the moment you throw the shoulder back, the moment you start taking breath from here, the moment you start speaking with a good tone of the voice, and the moment you say she'll be alright, your breathing will change and you don't have to smoke, you don't have to drink. Why? Because your state will change. When the state changes, the chemical in the head will change. From the cortisol, it will become endomorphin and you will feel very, very comfortable. When you go for interview, do this. The moment you interview in HR room, 10 minutes before do this exercise, HR will think you are the most powerful person in the world. So people go, the moment they hear HR name and they start shaking, people will go do this. Okay? Now why this happens? Because the moment you hear about this, what happens in brain, the picture will start coming. When I changed his father's picture, he started crying. So that's what I saw. America, when I took the picture here, he started crying, so I left the picture there itself. So very simple thing is, the moment you hear the news, you don't hear the things, you see the picture always. When I tell you your mother, you will see the picture of your mother. So the moment you call your girlfriend and she is not there, she doesn't pick up, your brain will start creating the picture of what happened. And the picture you will see with somebody, or you will see that she doesn't want to call me, or something has happened to her. This picture will keep coming to your head. In place of changing the picture here, change the body. Because the moment you change the body physiology, the body will send the message through the spinal cord to the brain, and your brain will become absolutely, because brain knows only one thing. It's the slave. It says yes, sir. You say, I'm an idiot, brain will say yes, sir. I'm an dirty something, say yes, sir. You say, I'm confident, it will say yes, sir. So the moment you change your physiology, the chemical changes in the head, and brain, with the spinal cord, the message goes, and you feel totally confident. You don't have to smoke. You are simply, hitting the needle inside and doing all these. All things are bullshit. Change the physiology. How do you know people are confident? See my body when I'm talking to you. What I'm doing with my body? I'm just walking forward. I'm talking forward, whether in front of actor or actress or anywhere, because I have mastered my physiology. When you master your physiology, you will master excellence, because there are only one tool, shortest tool to become successful in mastering your physiology. What would happen when 24 hours a day I'm speaking with you? What would happen to you? Will you have the fear? You will have?
You have to fear. Because you do practice, that's why you are...
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. If you practice, this will go. See, always remember, it takes time for everything. When you practice, it will go. So you have to practice and practice. Repetition is the mother of learning. When you repeat anything again and again and again and again, how do you learn bad language? Repetition. How do you learn bad language? Repetition. Always remember, all the skill you learn by repetition. So the most important thing, repetition creates the skills. So when I teach you something, and you think that you will become excellent in one, no, you will learn something, you will feel happy. When you practice, when you focus on this, what I'm telling you, if you keep practicing and practice for 21 days, because it takes 21 days to create any habit. 21 days, when you do this thing again and again and again, it will change your state. I'm not saying that you will be like this. Your body will be in a beautiful state, and your body and brain will be in absolutely sync. This is called rapport. The one skill that changes the whole life of your life is called absolute rapport. If you don't have rapport, it creates a resistance. Resistance comes from the cortisol. Cortisol is negative chemicals dangerous to the body. So very simple thing, change the chemicals. How will you change the chemical? Changing the body. So when you take the mic like this. When you take the breath from here. Chest little up, throw the shoulder back, and speak with a very powerful tone of the voice. I'm not saying too smart, slightly smart, not over smart. And then speak. What will happen? Immediately you feel very, very comfortable. And when you feel comfortable, then you start your journey. When you did this exercise which I told you to do, all I want is within me. Now how did you feel? Everything we do for feeling. Why we earn money? Why do we buy cars? Feeling. Why do you worship? Yeah. Everything for feeling. So if you know how to change your feelings, the whole life is going to change. So always remember that if you want to change your life, change your feeling. And in order to change your feeling, you have to change your body.